nourish you with Edu Masala. Chapter 5 for the continuity of generations. Indicators 1. Formation of male gametes. After the pollination, pollen tube grows towards the ovary. Simultaneously, generative nucleus in the pollen grain divides at the pollen tube and two sperms are formed. Formation of embryo. One of the sperms fuses with the ovum and forms the zygote. This process is called fertilization. Formation of endosperm and its function. The second sperm fuses with the polar nucleus in the ovary and forms the endosperm. Zygote develops into embryo and endosperm becomes the stored food for the growth of embryo. Indicators 2. Characteristics of sperms. Sperms are motile. It has a head, middle piece and tail. Mitochondria present in the middle piece provide energy for movement. In the head, nucleus containing paternal chromosomes is present. Location of testes and the production of sperms. Testes are found in the scrotal sac outside the abdominal cavity. Sperms are produced in the testes. Importance of glands. Sperms reach the penis along with the fluid produced by accessory glands and they are secreted to outside. Secretions provide a medium for the movement of sperms and nourishment. Indicators 3. Characteristics of ovum. Ovum is larger than sperms. They are non-motile. There are specified membranes outside the cell membrane of ovum. Function of ovary. Answer: produces ovum and female hormones. Indicators 4. What is adolescence? Adolescence is the period between puberty and adulthood. How does adolescence influence the physical and mental development of an individual? The characteristics of adolescence like brain development, rapid increase in the height and weight, growth of reproductive organs, increased efficiency of glands, etc. influence the physical and natural development of individuals. Why is the rate of adolescence growth higher in girls than in boys? In girls, the parts of brain that control physical and mental changes develop fast. Is there any need to be anxious about the physical changes during adolescence? Why? No, adolescence is only a stage in growth. Bodily changes are part of development into a fully mature organism. Let us assess. First question, which of the following activities takes place after fertilization in plants? A. Pollen tube grows. B. Egg is formed in the ovary. C. Ovule becomes the seed. D. Male gametes are formed. The answer is C. Ovule becomes the seed. Second question, which part helps in the transportation of materials without mixing maternal and fetal blood? A. Endometrium. B. Uterus. C. Placenta. D. Amnion. The answer is C. Placenta. Third question, sequentially arrange the process that takes place after pollination in plants. Embryo is formed, pollen tube grows, fertilization takes place, male gametes are formed, zygote is formed, generative nucleus divides. So let's see the answers. The first process is pollen tube grows. 2. Generative nucleus divides. 3. Sperms are formed. 4. Fertilization takes place. 5. Zygote is formed. 6. Fetus is developed. Fourth question. Substantiate the statement. Excessive likes and dislikes of food materials adversely affects the health. Avoiding food in order to become slim causes many diseases like anorexia. Overeating causes obesity and other chronic diseases. Fifth question. Home hygiene and social hygiene are as important as personal hygiene for health. Do you agree with this opinion of the doctor who led an awareness class on health? Why? Definitely. Unhygienic environment helps in the proliferation of pathogens. The dangers caused by pollution is much dreaded. Therefore, home hygiene and social hygiene are very important as personal hygiene. Sixth question. Adolescence is full of challenges and possibilities. A. What are the challenges faced by adolescents? Causes mental and emotional disturbances, confusion about his or her role in the society, poor understanding about hygiene, immaturity, possibility to addiction to bad. B. What are your suggestions to overcome these challenges? Practice to say no to wrong ways. Parents should take care to make the environment in home pleasant. Be careful while choosing friends. Take part in social services. Participate in co-curricular activities in the school. Seventh question. It is easy to be addicted to drugs, but to escape from it is not that easy. A. What should be our approach towards drugs? Never use drugs in your life. A single use may push us to its addiction. B. What are the harmful effects of drugs? Disease that leads to cancer are caused. Loss of social recognition, breaks interpersonal relationships, loss of peace in the family and distortion of family relationship. Financial crisis arise. Possibility to indulge in crimes. Thank you.